Assalamu alaikum. So guys, today our topic is DHCP. What is DHCP? What is the full form of DHCP? What is the port number of DHCP? DHCP server. First of all, full form is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This is the full form. What is DHCP? To provide dynamic, otherwise you can say automatic IP address to the client system. Also, DHCP can provide default gateway, preferred DNS, alternate DNS, IP to the client. So DHCP can provide any address to the client like IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, preferred DNS, alternate DNS. Port number is 67 and 68. DHCP server port number is 67 and DHCP client port number is 68. In DHCP we have a scope. Scope like you can say range, also you can say pull. Pull means we have to define the range, suppose 10.50 to 10.0.0.100. It means client will take IP between the range. This is called scope. This is called pull. This is also called range. Okay. Now in DHCP you can create super scope also, means combination of two and more than two scope is called super scope. Take example. Example is suppose 10.0.0.1 to 10.0.0. Take previous example, otherwise you can take anything. 50, here is 100, and take 20.0.0.1 to 20.0.0.50. Two different networks. So here we have two different ranges. So this is called super scope. Now guys, in DHCP we have one option, that is DHCP reservation. What is DHCP reservation? To provide fixed IP address to the client. It means, what about the process? In DHCP server, keep the MAC address of client and assign fixed IP, then give same address to the client. It is like static IP, you can see. In DHCP we have a option of backup. It means you can take DHCP and recovery. We have some process to take the backup if there is a problem. So if data has deleted, so we can recover also. Then DHCP fail over. For this we can balance the load. It means for this scenario need 2 server for load balancing. So today we will perform this scenario. Next step is configuring DHCP server. How we can configure? Today we have taken DHCP. It means you can say server 1. In server 1 only we have taken IP. IP is 10.0.0.1 and SNM subnet mask, you can say we have taken 255.0.0.0. No need to take for DHCP server we don't require default gateway. No need to take prefer DNS, alternate DNS. We have 2 clients in this scenario, client 1 and client 2, both are Windows 7 system. Okay, let's do it. Now this is the server 2012 R2. Click on server manager. First of all we have to install role of DHCP server. Add roles and features, we have to click next. This is my server IP. In client no need to take any IP because who will give the IP? DHCP. Next, select only DHCP. Add features. DHCP, this is the separate server. We don't require any other server if you will configure this DHCP. Next, and just install this. After installation we will configure DHCP. So question is command to open DHCP console. How we can open? Command is dhcp mgmt.msc. Start run. You can type this command so that DHCP console will open. If DHCP console will open, then we have to configure the server. Otherwise you can also open via tools. Here option will come, then you can open. You can use both the features. You can use PowerShell feature, any feature you can use. We have both the options. So guys, now installation is running. So we are trying to install DHCP. So for this DHCP we require admin privilege. If we have admin privilege, so that we can configure DHCP. Okay. Complete DHCP configuration. So it will ask you message like, see administrative account, we need this, commit, that's okay, close, and this is close this one, okay. Start run DHCP mgmt.msc. This is the console, DHCP console. See guys, IP version 4. Also you can provide IP version 6. Right click on IP version 4, new scope. Scope means range, start to end. Next, give anything like suppose uptake DHCP, anything you can give, can be your name also. Next, start IP 10.0.0.50 to 10.0.0.100. It means client will take IP between the range. Then here is 255, class A IP, so automatic that will take. Next, exclude IP like we have taken 50 to 100. In between, if you want to reserve some address like suppose 90 to 100, 10 IP you want to reserve, so reserved address, just give start to end. This is called exclusion range. Here no need. Next, by default DHCP will provide IP for 8 days, 0 hours, 0 minute. If you want to set, if you want to increase, then you can use this option. Just next, in future if you want to configure this DHCP, you can configure, otherwise simply next. Here is router IP, means in this network if we have any router, so you can give the IP, otherwise it's not required. So give router IP like default gateway 10.25, add this, you can add more IP also. Next, in this infra, if you have any server, DNS server, so you can give DNS server and its IP, otherwise no need. If you have any Win server in your network, so also you can assign Win's IP, simply next. I want to configure now, definitely finish. This is the process to configure DHCP server. Check, verify, click on client 1, see identifying, right click, status, details, series IP 10.0.0.50, subnet mask is 255.0.0.0, DHCP server is 10.0.0.1 and default gateway is 10.0.0.25. Done. Server is working, client is working, DHCP is running fine. Close, close, close. Command prompt IP config, see IP is 10.50, gateway also. IP, if you want to ping the server, ping 10.1 is the server IP -T. Done. Now guys, this is client 2, right click, status, details 51. It will take IP with sequence, both are working. Close, close. If you will check IP properties for, we don't have the IP because we have taken from the server. Now right click status details. This is the MAC address of this computer. Suppose you want to take fixed IP, so use this option reservation. Right click and new reservation. Reservation name can be anything, can be suppose Aptech Kona, anything you can take. IP address suppose 0.0. Suppose 75 you want. MAC address we have to give. Check 000C. Enter the MAC address. C 297F 297F 0B BB 0B BB. Small capital no matter. Description anything. Add. Close. This is about the reservation. We have given 75. Okay. Client to close, disable, right click, enable, right click, status, details. See guys, 10.0.0.75. This is the static IP. It is also called DHCP reservation. Again, if you want to check CMD IP config, see 10.75. Any IP you can give. Use reservation. Okay. If you want to ping 10.1, see it's pinging. Next is backup. So how we can take backup? Right click on this DHCP name and click backup where you want to take the backup. Suppose C drive I want to take. Create a folder in C drive like Aptech server backup. Click this. Okay, done. This is the process to take the backup. If you want to verify backup has created or not, open C drive, open this folder. See, this is the backup, DHCP backup. Now guys, suppose there is a problem, accidentally database has deleted. See, deleted, nothing is there. Now question is how we can restore. Again guys, right click there. Below than backup there is a restore. Click that and C drive, Aptech server. Okay, yes, wait. Starting DHCP server. The database was restored successfully. Okay. Close. Start run. Same command you can open full screen DHCP IP version 4 scope reservation. See, everything is there. Baby PC, client computer name is baby PC, so we have given IP. See this full we have given 50 to 100. We have two client. This PC client IP we have given 50 and this PC client IP we have given 75. Both are running. You can check via this option. DHCP has created. Now guys, shut down this computer client. Shut down this computer because that will take some space. Now one thing is remaining, that is DHCP failover. So last is how we can configure DHCP failover. This is my other server 2012 computer. I'm trying to open this client. Client already we have done, so try to close this client 1 and client 2. Now only we have two server, so we will create failover. Failover it used for load balancing. Load balancing like traffic will carry by the other server. It means suppose here traffic is 40%, so there will be 60%. Here will be 50%, then there will be 50%. Here will be 75%, there will be 25%. This is my next computer, other server, right? So now we have two servers. This is the first server and this is the second server. Full screen second server, ncpa.cpl, open local area connection, right click and goes to properties. Here previous maybe I have given some IP. Now my server IP is 10.1 and here just 2. DNS nothing is there. This is the fresh computer. 10.2 we have taken. So if you want to configure failover, open server manager first. Then after, definitely we have to install the role. Click add roles and feature. Next, same process already we have done previous, how we can install a DHCP server. Add features. Next, apart from this DHCP we don't need anything. Install this. Maybe it will take 1 and 2 minutes, so that we will install, and then after we have to pull DHCP database from the first server. Anything, suppose if you will change anything, like in future we will create some other scope, in future you want some reservations, so first server will replicate to the second server. This is little bit advanced practical, right? Not little bit, this is advanced practical actually. So this is the last topic. Already we have done how we can assign IP address to the client, then how we can take the backup. Then next was how we can provide fixed IP address to the client, that is called DHCP reservation. Also we have given one gateway that was 10.0.0.25. So if we have DHCP server, no need to move here and there. Maybe client is connected with the other province, maybe client is connected to other places, so anywhere you can deploy the IP, anywhere you can provide the IP. This is the advantage of DHCP. Otherwise, you can take IP manual also. So there are two methods to provide the IP. First, via DHCP. Second, via static. Static like manual. But manual always will take more and more time. Suppose we have 1 lakh computers, then move here and there and provide the IP. Otherwise, configure DHCP. Okay. This is the second server, guys. First server, second server. Complete DHCP configuration. Commit and close. Close. Start run. DHCP mg mt.msc to open DHCP console. Okay. Right. Done. So guys, click on first server. Here is right click on the scope and configure failover. Next, my partner server is 10.0.0.2 at. This server is 10.0.0.5. Okay. Next. So there is a error. No issue. This is the second server. Configure failover. Wait. Check here. Is it any IP here? IP is there 10.2. That's okay. Back. Cancel. Configure failover. Next, partner server, we have to add 10.0.0.1. okay. Actually partner server we have to give other computer IP 10.0.0.2. So you can search by this option, otherwise no need. Okay. Next. So wait for some time, it's trying to resolve the, so it will take some time. Configure failover. So close this. We have to refresh actually. Recently we have installed DHCP server, so it will take some time. Next. And .0.0.2. Do one thing here. There is a problem, so that here assign 10.0.0.1. okay. Okay. Here properties, you can assign DNS so that it will replicate. And also we have to check the connectivity is pinging or not. 10.1 is pinging and from there also we have to check the connectivity. CMD ping 10.2 network is okay. There is no any problem with the network. Wait, it will search. So that we will configure failover. Next, close, close, close everything. DHCP. Failover 10.0.0.2. Oh, 60 seconds. There is a problem with the time. 12:30 p.m. Here is set the time. What was the time? 12:30 p.m. So here 12:30 p.m. Okay, just try. Again 10.0.0.2. Done, guys. So what was the problem? Problem was the time. Here, see, if you will increase the percentage 51, it will automatic decrease. See? If you will increase, that will automatic decrease. So here load balancing you can perform. Password you can give for this secret, password @123. Next, see guys, this is the second server. We don't have anything. This is blank system. After finish, see, close. F5. Now see, address pool, lease, reservation. So guys, we have same information in server 1 and same information with DHCP server. So we have completed successfully DHCP. Thank you so much. Have a good day, great day. Khuda Hafiz. See you guys. Bye.